Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cruising with the Coachmen, and I'm here in Middlebury, Indiana, taking a look at the new Coachmen Apex Nano 216 RKS, rear kitchen slide out. One of the best features on the outside is this little area right here. But take a look at this outdoor bar space that we've got here. Nice storage. This is our TV, which is currently packed for shipping. And we've got this nice bar countertop that supports weight and becomes an outside table or a bar top, because when I'm standing here, I can talk to the people sitting inside. This unit also has the Moride stairs that flip up inside the door and dual axles. Take a look at the pass-through up here. Every Apex Nano is coming standard with Solo. Here's my charge controller. Also, we've got an inverter prep here. All I have to do is pull the wiring out here and I can attach my inverter when I'm ready to upgrade. Got a manual tongue jack, just like all the rest of the Nanos. Dual propane tanks. Great big window in the front. On the back, we've got the spare tire. And we've got the backup camera prep ready to go. We're going to start up in the nose of the RV. As I mentioned, that great big window in the front. And nice storage up top. Wardrobe storage on the side. This shelf is removable, so I can go with either two shelves or I can go with hanging wardrobe on both sides. We've also got power and USB chargers on both sides for your phones or other devices that you need to plug in and charge up here. Under the bed, we've got standard under the bed storage. And now I just step forward and I'm into my divided bathroom, which is kind of a nice feature. So here in the bathroom, lots of counter space, actually surprising for a unit that's not really that big. Some space over here in the medicine cabinet, some drawers and cabinets here, and a pretty good sized shower. Let's take a look. So I am right at 6 feet tall. I've got about 2 inches or so of headspace, maybe 3 above me in the skylight, but I've got plenty of elbow room for a shower. The toilet, because of its placement, actually also gives me plenty of elbow space and knee room up in front. So there's a lot of space up here in this bathroom. Now, the one disadvantage that I'm finding on this rig is all these doors. So I like that I can close the bathroom off from the bedroom, and it's nice that I can close the bathroom and bedroom off from the living space. The problem is it's just really door heavy, which makes it just feel a little congested in this area. So it'd be really nice if they added a little extra width to these walls and maybe figure out a way to put in a pocket door or a barn door. But
and as the wife with a husband who may spend a few minutes on the toilet, I'm stuck in the bedroom unless I want to interrupt his throne time.
It's true.
Or I'm stuck in the living room.
You know, I always like to tell Michelle, it takes as long as it takes.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're in the living space. I've got recliner sofas over on this side, so seating over here for 2. I've got this nice bar countertop. So instead of a dinette, we've got this great big window. We've got this bar countertop, which works as your dining room table, works as a fantastic workspace. I'd love to see a TV backer right here so I could swing my TV arm out, or I could leave it down for a computer monitor if I'm working here, but there is a TV backer right up here along with connections there. Good storage in the cargo net here above the bar, but also quite a bit of storage space back here behind me. So I've got the 2 cabinets above, 2 cabinets below this coffee bar area, plus some little storage there. I've got this pantry, which is pretty good size. I can go all the way back here. It's as deep as this wall is. So this is an RK rear kitchen. So let's take a look at that rear kitchen. It's right here against the back wall of the RV. I've got a 12-volt fridge. Lots of space in this fridge. I love this can holder and the fact that these doors are nice and deep so I can hold 2 liters or a gallon of milk or wine bottles. 2-burner stove, which does give me a lot of extra counter space, and the convection microwave, air fryer microwave down here. Great big farmhouse single bowl sink, which is nice for doing all those dishes. And I really like these new accents with the gold and black, really on trend right now. And it's kind of a sharp accent. Up here, we got a little bit more storage space. And of course, we've got storage down below the sink with some drawers and cabinets. Also, this Stargazer, I'm loving this feature. They put it in a year or 2 ago, and they're still optional for every unit, but it gives me a lot of extra airflow. I can close it off with a blackout shade, or I can pull my integrated screen that's going to allow keeping the bugs out on a buggy day. Plus, this is set up so that if I forget to close it before I pull out, the wind is just going to push it right back down, and there's no danger of it blowing off in the drive. Thanks for watching this video. In the description, we've got all the specs for this rig. Plus, you can check out coachmanrv.com for more information. Make sure that if you want to see more of our videos, more of our tours, or follow our adventures, you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you out on the road when it's time to take your next adventure.